In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your company or workspace name in Asana. Whether you're rebranding, standardizing names across teams, or just cleaning things up, I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few helpful tips along the way. You'll need access to the admin console to follow this, which usually means you're an admin for an organization or the owner of a workspace. Let's do it together on the desktop web app for the smoothest experience. First, open the admin console. Look to the top right corner of Asana and click your profile photo. In the menu that appears, select Admin Console. If you don't see that option, you may not have the right permissions, so double-check your role or ask an existing admin to grant access. Once you're in the console, you're in the right place to adjust high-level settings that affect everyone in your space. Next, go to Settings. In the left-hand sidebar of the admin console, click Settings. At the top of this page, you'll see the current name of your workspace or organization. This is the name people see across Asana, so it's worth choosing something clear and consistent. Many teams use the company name, plus a region or division, if that helps with clarity. Now, edit the name. Click the Edit field next to workspace name or organization name. Type your new name exactly as you want teammates to see it. Keep it concise and recognizable, so people can quickly identify where they are. If your company just rebranded, this is a great time to match your new naming standards to avoid confusion across projects and teams. When you're done, save your changes. Depending on your view, you may be prompted to click Save. Once saved, Asana updates the name across the app for all members. You might need to refresh your browser to see it immediately, and any teammates currently in Asana will see the change reflected across their navigation. If you see an option to convert to organization, you can choose to unlock a fuller structure with teams, organization-level settings, and additional admin features. This is available only if you have a company email domain. Personal email providers like Gmail won't qualify for organizations, so keep that in mind. While you're here, you can also review optional settings. Time periods let you match your fiscal year or annual planning rhythm, which can be helpful for reporting. Machine learning recommendations can be enabled to surface insights and suggestions that help teams stay on track. And that's how you change your company or workspace name in Asana. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.